I am starting to notice there's three type of clients that walk into the nail salon. The first client is the talkative one. Ooh, the talkative client, they can talk for days. The beginning of the service all the way to the end of the service. You didn't even need to ask them any questions. They just start telling you stories and they get involved in other people's conversation around them. They trying to get everybody's name and everybody's scoop. But those are the nice one and the easy one. And we got the quiet one. They are a little bit intimidating. You ask them a question, they give you one answer. How are you? Good. What's your name? Marla. What you like to do for fun? Nothing. The whole time, I'm be like, man, I don't even know how to start a conversation with this girl. But I know their answer will be they just like to watch. Now, the last but not least type of client, this one is special. Y'all might not talk a lot and y'all might not be that quiet, but y'all nosy and y'all be eavesdropping in everybody's conversation. Oh, Lord, y'all getting your nails done. Y'all ears be listening to that lady in the back getting her pedicure talking about her corn. And at the other ear, y'all listening to the other girl getting dumped in prom. And then y'all go back to us nail tech and y'all be like, hey, did you hear what that lady say about her toes? And of course, every time us nail tech be like, girl, why are you listening to other people's conversation? And your answer is always, I can't help it. I like to hear what they say.